What's up, YouTube? It is Alden. I'm here again for another Pew Pew session. Same thing as always. Glock 19. It is not loaded. Right now I'm just rocking with the 2 empty mags for this training session. Just to let y'all know. And this video is gonna just be simple, drawing and stuff like that. And yeah, that's about it. For this one, it will just be the simple, we're gonna start from here. For those who didn't see the first video, I will have if you haven't seen it, I'll put the link in this video. But we're gonna start from here, clear the garment, and we're gonna come up. 2 hands, so 2 hands, and then push straight out. And don't go too far out. Don't do that one there, but just enough to where you can aim down and not be in your chest. Just enough. But you just clear. See, that's what you have to practice right there. Because if you miss, then you might interfere with your draw. So you make sure you clear that garment completely out of the way before you grab. It doesn't matter from the side, from the front. It doesn't matter. As long as you know where you're going. And soon as you grab, make sure you're pointed. Never point towards yourself. Never point like this or towards somebody else. Make sure you go straight towards your target, and then pop your shot. Look at it's in my tank top. Now, for those who have bought one, shout out to Brian Fuller, if that's your name. Shout out to you for getting a sidecar holster. Now when you first get it, you're going to put it on, and you're going to see it might kind of bend outward a little bit. Reason for that is you might have your pants pulled up a little too high. So what you do is you just kind of lower it, and then if it's still sitting too high, see, I'll put my shirt over it. If it's still sitting too high, then what you do is you sit it low, you grab your back pockets, and you push down. Once you push down, then you will be completely concealed all the way. No one taught me that. I had to figure that out. True Exodus got me on appendix carrying, but for some reason I could never figure out why his sits so flush and perfectly, and mine like popped all the way out like that. But yeah, you just push it lower and push your back pockets all the way down. Don't rip them off, but just enough where you can see the actual holster tuck and be concealed the way it's supposed to. And even with this position here, don't go nowhere. You can still sit. You can do everything that you need to do. Everything you need to do. One of these days I'm going to start timing myself. Once again, clear the garment. Make sure you clear it enough, as True Exodus says, purchase your weapon to get it all the way out. Get your 2 hands on, which I believe he calls marriage, and you push it all the way out. Not all the way out, but you push out just enough to where you can aim down and you fire that shot. One more time, clear. When I clear it, I'm going to have it push out so you can see where I grab. Gotta stick my stomach out. Can y'all see that? I'm turning to the side. where I grab is right between the mag and the actual sights. Right there. It's a nice little pinch that you can do. And once you get comfortable with that, you'll always find it. Always. 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 Now don't come with a little pinch. You have to like grab. Make sure you clear. Make sure you get a nice grip, because you don't want to have a little baby grip and then re-grip with two hands and then purchase. That's time being used that you might need. That could be dependent on your life. So make sure you got a good grip from as soon as you grab the holster. I mean, as soon as you make sure you have a good grip as soon as you grab your pistol, so you can deliver that shot that needs to be. Now, people wanted to know again from sitting down, of course. Again, same thing. Sitting up. Oh. It's the same. You just have to clear your shirt just a little bit higher. See, can y'all see that? Yeah, I'm gonna go up to y'all. If you don't clear it, your shirt will sit on it, and then you'll be messed up. So you have to clear it all the way so you can get to it. So you just might be sitting, chilling, boom. Sitting back, chilling. I'm here. Once again, same spot as always. Same spot. You know, you might have something in your hand, just something, and then you're gonna have to be able to drop it and get it quick. Once again, for concealment purposes, make sure your claw is all the way at the top. Well, for me, it's all the way at the top of the belt. And then you push your jeans back a little bit, and then you're good. You're completely concealed. Completely. Until you need to use it. I'm gonna blast that. I'm gonna try to do it as fast as I can. Alright. I'll give it 3 times. And I'm gonna pull the trigger and everything. 1, 2, 3. See, I've been pinching, so I got a little spot there. That's alright. Whole thing needs to come down a little bit. There we go. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna try to do it ridiculously fast. Might mess up. So, alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. See, my grip is ever so slightly off. You gotta make sure you get that nice grip. So make sure when you come in, you got a nice grip. Once again, we're gonna do it extremely fast again. See if we can catch another problem. 3, 2, 1. With that one, that was pretty good grip. I could have purchased a little bit better with my left hand. But I am one that when I do bring my second hand with, I am the type to put my thumb on the slide, so if you're one of them people, it's fine. But if you're one of these people who likes to come down a little bit, that's fine too. Either way, it won't bite you. One more time, extremely fast. All right, 3, 2, 1. Everything on that one was perfect. See, grip. I'll move my left hand. Grip. This video is not going to be too long, but I am going to be posting some drill times here. Just some practices before I actually take it out and to the range, which we will be doing. I do have a review coming soon. Check that out. And in that review, for the subscribers, for my fan subscribers who's always here supporting me, I'll be explaining in another video, which is coming soon, where I've been at. It seems like for a month now, where I've been at, what I've been doing. I know I haven't been posting, so you know, just stay tuned for that. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I love all of y'all. The older subscribers, you already know, y'all get the love. But that's it for this one. Please like and subscribe. If you're not already, you should. You should subscribe. We got more gun stuff coming, just like car stuff. So if you like guns and cars and dreads and black clothes, you know, pew-pews, you should subscribe.